Hello DIYers, I wanted to share with you how easy it is to add the light into the bedroom, especially if you don't have any light in the bedroom and there's ceiling which is empty. This is the case. So I live in a house where there is no central light in the ceiling, like literally the ceiling is empty. And this is what I envisioned it to be. Let's see if it plays out. So basically what I'm gonna need to do is to cover everything, and then because we're gonna cut out 6-inch diameter lamps, recessed lights, there's gonna be a lot of insulation. It's gonna be very dusty. Yeah, we definitely need to cover everything, especially if there is an attic above this bedroom, because once you cut out the hole in the ceiling, the insulation is gonna drop like crazy, especially if it's a dust insulation back from 90s or 80s. Yeah, it takes about 3 to 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to cover everything. And this is how it used to look. That's me, hey! So the first thing, you need to measure the ceiling, right? From one corner to another corner, you need to get the result, divide it onto 4. If you want 4 recessed lights in your bedroom, squared up, you need to have the distance divided by 4 from one wall to another. Right, so now that we're all ready and measured, we can just open them up and see what's up there. To open up, I use the drill with a bit. Oh, also we need to add the centerpiece. At the last moment I figured I'm just gonna add the ceiling fan as well. The plan is, so this is the plan. We're gonna run the cable from the switch up into the first light and the second cable to the centerpiece. This switch used to control the furthest outlet, which we will rewire and make the outlet constantly powered, whilst we're gonna engage that switch spot onto the recessed light switch spot, or better say dimmer. So basically you're gonna chisel the old one. Obviously you need to turn the breaker off because you know, can zip you. And then rearrange the wires. I'm not gonna bore you with all the wiring stuff and how to mend the drywall back, but if you guys wanna really see how it's done, let me know in the comments. I'll post a video about that. So that was a 6-inch diameter bit which you used to open up 6-inch recessed lights for. And if you need to use it for the centerpiece, for example, since the junction box usually is about 4 inches, we need to smaller it down, right? And then here, I'm already passing the wire using the fishing tool. You just stick it in. There's an attic above it, and unfortunately there is no entrance into the attic, so I had to cut the drywall a little bit. Here you can see the wire coming in. We're gonna use the old wire hole so we can actually pass the wire down towards the destination where the switch and dimmer is going to be. So the same thing with the reset slide, the same thing you need to do. You need to pass the wire for the centerpiece. It's gonna be a separate line. And afterwards, all you need to do is to pass wires between the lights so they communicate. And then install all the lights. Basically, I'm just gonna speed it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. And then we're just gonna put a J box in the middle. I really lucked out over here because there's a beam going through, so I can actually just screw it into the beam, and it's gonna be strong enough to hold the ceiling fan. Here's the ceiling fan. It actually usually comes in million pieces. This one is not bad. It's like 20 pieces. We assemble it all together. Batteries, wings. Wings usually come in 2 colors. Sometimes there's 1 color, but most of the fans have bicolor wings. So I chose the oak one, or what do you call it? The natural, the pine one, because I have furniture here which is a natural color. And then we'll just put the box on and then hook the fan. This one is pretty easy. You just connect white to white, black to black, ground to ground, and you're good to go. And there you go. Let's check if it works. It does! Look at that! So when you come into this room now, it looks way cozier than it used to be. And obviously there is more light now. I can find things. Yeah, it's strong enough. This is how came out the mended drywall. Again, if you guys want me to post the video, I'll post especially how to actually make this drywall put back together. And this is the results. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you soon.